Hello and welcome. Today, we're taking a closer look at the OXO Good Grip SimplyPull Napkin Holder, a sleek and functional addition to any kitchen or dining space. Crafted from durable stainless steel in a stylish silver and black design, this napkin holder features a weighted arm that keeps your napkins securely in place, preventing them from flying away or getting messy. The arm opens wide and stays open, allowing for easy, one-handed refilling, making it incredibly convenient during busy meal times. When not in use, the arm folds flat into the base, ensuring compact storage that saves valuable counter space. Plus, the rubber grip at the base ensures your stack of napkins won't slide around, keeping everything neat and tidy. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or simply enjoying a family meal, the OXO Good Grip SimplyPull Napkin Holder combines practicality with modern style, making it a must-have for any home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.